Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone today?
You don't have the fish thing.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I have my helmet here.
Oh, okay.
They're not feet.
Okay. Put it under the seat.
Yeah, it's in the front.
Come on. Good. You got push down. Push. Push down.
Yeah.
All right.
So when we go around more,
I'm doing YouTube live.
I forgot my helmet in the throat.
That's all right. Oh, jeez.
Okay, yeah, sunod. Yan
Oh, fish.
Yeah.
Fish.
Don't look now.
Oh no, I'm eating too many of those fish.
Oh, yeah, then
Too many. I've been eating too many. Not good. Hello.
Hey! Wait, hang on. They're putting over there.
Roof.
Yeah.
Roof in the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you have room in here now?
Yeah.
We
Thank God.
have those. We're gonna put in our house. You know? Those, what are those? Solar?
Oh, your solar lights?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a dead end. I keep forgetting the street's a dead end.
Huh?
I keep forgetting the street's a dead end.
This one is dead end?
Yeah.
No, you can go this way.
No, you can't.
No?
No, we went there already one time.
Oh.
Basketball. Everybody's playing basketball. People swimming?
Hmm?
I don't see anybody swimming.
Yep.
Yeah. Are there?
Yep.
I don't see nobody in there.
Yeah, they're in there. They're close 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Bumpity, bumpity, bumpity. Barbecue.
You want a barbecue?
Nah. I just had the best chicken nuggets ever. You know? The best chicken nuggets. No.
Oh.
Too many people. Plus, this is our street, not the other one. Only a hole here. Bugs in my eyes. Mosquitoes in my eyes.
Oh, they're gonna work
Watch
on
out,
the
watch out, doggy. Watch out, doggy.
you know?
Huh?
They're gonna work on the small thing.
Small thing.
You into the garage.
Oh, garage.
Hey, they play bingo.
Bingo! Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What? Over here again?
Yeah.
Again? Doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy.
You know,
Doggy, doggy.
you don't say exactly where you need.
Yeah, of course not. He doesn't want nobody knocking on his door or something, you know? Something like that. Know what I mean? Looks like his car right here. It's a white Toyota. See? Looks like his right there. Looks like.
Look at this. You see this on the cover all this thing around me?
Yeah, I know. They got the permit too.
Yeah.
But I think what we would do behind the house, nobody's gonna see, nothing. So I thought that was Nori. I thought that was Nori at first. No? I don't know. Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak. Everybody's gonna look out the window every time I beat, thinking it's Brad or something. You know? Who? Yeah, American or German or something.
Yeah, he has a
Europe.
moped.
I don't know.
Yes, that he has a small motorcycle.
Oh, does he? He got a great car too. I don't know. I don't know. Where? Where?
Yeah, he's driving.
Oh yeah. House and lot for sale right here.
That's the one we see that I told you I thought they made a picture on.
Yeah, so you thought it was a menu
That's
sign?
her daughter, yeah.
Yeah.
She's asking 4.2 or for 4.4.
But it says for rent or sale, right?
Now, our neighbor, the mother, wants to buy, he wants to live, but he said it's too much.
Oh yeah. 4.2 is too much.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
No,
I mean,
4.4.
4.4.
At least if he's gonna buy, she's gonna buy for 4.2 or 4. But she's waiting the house gonna sell. If he's gonna sell the house, he cannot afford.
Right. You talking about the frame they put up here? You talking about the metal frame?
Yeah.
Right in front of us.
Yeah.
Closing in.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then I want you in the back, the way they do, but we see in the daytime. In the night. Then down.
Oh, get up.
Okay,
Yeah,
let
get
me
up.
get out.
Get up. Yeah, jump down. You're too top heavy. And the grass is slippery.
Let me get out. I'm gonna close the stove.
Close the stove. Okay. Close the stove.
More,
Oh, I know more.
more. Oh!
What do you mean, Ho?
I'm in the back.
Come on. You gotta get the nose in.
I'm gonna put the thing just in case it's gonna rain. I don't want the thing they get rusty now, get wet.